Hey guys, I am Sarah. Every week I comb through hundreds of DIY videos preparing projects for our weekly maker show, Make or Break. Along the way, I find some good ones and some great ones. And right now, I'm gonna share them with you. This is Sarah's top 5 DIY toy boxes. But before we get to that list, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And if you have not already subscribed to Belts and Boxes, please go do that now. Number 5 is around the house. Like many of us, Michelle needed a better looking storage solution for her house and decided that a wooden chest that is sturdy enough to sit on would be the best fit. She did not officially title this project as a toy box. However, if you want a piece of furniture that is not only functional seating and doubles as a hidden toy box in plain sight, this is your project. This is a beautiful chest that even has this little removable drawer that is perfect for smaller games or remotes if you decided to use it as a coffee table. Michelle, this project is absolutely beautiful. Thank you for sharing it with us. Number 4 is Brett with Jack. This little toy chest is perfect for any tiny princess in your life that has, well, a lot of stuff. Seriously, it always amazes me how the smallest of humans seem to collect the most possessions. Well, if you're looking for an adorable way to hide those toys when they're not being used, I highly recommend this project video for inspiration. I love how he made the legs and curved base for this build. It really gave it a pretty and feminine look. The added detail of the hand-painted name, soft close hinges, and the extra space between the lid and the chest to protect those little fingers are a very nice touch. Number 3 is Mr. Build It. If you're looking for a more magical type of toy box for the tiny human in your life, this treasure chest style should do the trick. Honestly, if I had this, I would most definitely fill this with those chocolate coin candies because, I mean, isn't that what adult money is about? Alex really brought that Captain Hook X marks the spot vibe to life with his build. The fact that he burned the wood and added all of these metal details really made this piece come together, and I am obsessed with it. Shockingly, Rob has not let me burn any of our projects yet. I can't imagine why though. Alex, this is incredible, and I hope that the little pirate in your life loved this treasure chest. Number 2 is Crafted Workshop. Johnny needed to make a little toy chest, but he wanted to give it a more modern look that could be used for blankets or other things down the road. In order to make this a super sturdy piece that would last for years and years to come, he used poplar for the base and red oak for the cabinet. He assembled the carcass with rabbet joints, which gave it a really clean look. Once the cabinet was all glued up, he chamfered the bottom edges. After the chest portion of the build was done, stained and drying, he moved on to the base using 2x2s. I really like that he went with the black stain for the base to complement the white toy chest. This turned out beautifully. And coming in at number 1 is Brothers Make. Matt and Johnny set out to make a fun toy chest for Matt's son Luca, but they wanted to make sure that even when all of his toys were picked up off the floor, he still had something to play with, and they came up with this genius idea to add a reversible hidden busy board for the front of the toy chest. This was such a fun project to watch them build, and I really enjoyed watching the two siblings work together on this. As best as a pair of siblings can, I guess. I love that they went with a chunky or sturdier structure for this piece, and the way that they designed the reversible front really is what made this piece number 1 for me. There are just some days you want your little one entertained without having every toy they own on the floor. Seriously, this is sweet, guys. That's it. I hope you guys liked my list, but of course, if you found a version of my project you think should have made it onto my list, leave it in the comments below and I'll be sure to go check it out. If you did like this video, I will put the rest of my top 5 videos in a playlist for you right here. Do me a favor and like this video, and if you have not already subscribed to Belts and Boxes, what are you waiting for? Go do that now and be sure to hit that bell so you don't miss any of our shows that come out during the week. You can catch me every Friday at 5 p.m. for the Power Tool Week in Review with Rob, and every Saturday at 6 p.m. for our next episode of Make or Break. We'll see you then.